First, start and use your phone to scan the scalp, to scan the QR code. And you will get the page and enter your telephone number. Okay. Then scan here. Login success. Start. The door will open. Okay. Then I have empty bottle. Now pressure. The recycle. And then now I have a paper. If I insert it, what will be happen? This is paper, not bottle. And this is the barcode is in database. The barcode is in database of reverse vending machine.
Smile and learn.
Image recognition failed, so the paper cannot be recycled successfully because it has equipped image recognition camera in the reverse vending machine. The barcode has not in database. Barcode not in database. Okay. Now I have a bottle. It's in with water. Too much liquid inside bottle. This is overweight because it's with water bottle. Okay. Repeat. The door will be open, closed. This is electric receipt. Thank you for support for environment protection. And then this is back end system. Now this is just now we has put some the bottle every transaction records here. The system we have ready for you. This machine. Yes, this machine number. This machine number is this. 你绕跟我绕。
Respect and look after the animals, flowers, and trees around you. Easy ways to look after the environment, right?
I have ready for you.
Already know about them. Do most.
Okay.